Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be comparing TradingView versus Webull and which is the better free charting tool. Let's dive right in. So I'd like to point out that both of these are great services and they have similar purposes and great features to each their own. As you can see here, we have a list of features. For example, TradingView includes features such as third-party integration, cash flow statements, financial ratios, and automated technical pattern detection system. Whereas Webull is known for its functionalities like portfolio management, scanning tools, backtesting, and optimization. When you compare both of these, it truly depends on which need you value more. Now, I'd like to mention that Webull is better known for its user-friendly interface. So if you're a beginner, this would be a factor that may be very important to you because a beginner-friendly interface is very important. Now, TradingView and Webull can be used for different purposes and are both great services. And again, it truly depends on which one you prefer more and whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or an expert at this system. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.